Hello everyone, this is Learn to Code. Here are 5 reasons why you should start learning Python in 2022. Reason number 1: Career opportunities and salary. Python opens a lot of options for you. Despite being a relative simple language to begin with, Python language provides lots of job opportunities and promises high growth with huge salary prospects. Some of the big renowned companies that use Python for their development are Google, Netflix, Instagram, Facebook, Reddit, NASA, IBM, and many more. Reason number 2: Easy to learn and use. Python is the easiest programming language to learn. As compared with other languages, Python code is small and uses with less lines of code, which is perfectly easy to learn, execute, and understand. The syntax of Python is very easy to know, learn, and implement as compared with other programming languages. Reason number 3: The many uses of Python. The use of Python is broad. This language has many applications, such as backend website development, app development, database programming, GUI applications, system programming, game programming, robotics programming, and many more. Reason number 4: Data science. Python has become a major language in data science. This allows data analysts and other professionals to create data visualization, manipulate and analyze data, conduct complex statistical calculations, and other data-related tasks. Reason number 5: Web development. Python is often used as a backend programming language for web applications, which is the part the user does not see. The availability of different Python frameworks, such as Django and Flask, which generate a faster and more stable code, allows one to develop efficient web applications seamlessly. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this video answered the questions you may had, and if it did, make sure to press the like button and comment your thoughts. I'm going to make more videos about Python in the near future, so if you're interested in joining my journey of learning Python with me, subscribe to my channel for more content. Thank you and have a great day.